In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps navigation not working. First, make sure location services are enabled by opening the Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Security. Here, click on the option Location Services. Make sure you have toggle on for this option. Now from the list of apps, find Apple Maps and launch it. Check in for the option while using the app. Also toggle on for the option Precise Location. After that, check that your device has a stable internet connection using either Wi-Fi or cellular data, since Apple Maps relies on an internet connection for navigation and traffic updates. If the problem continues, first close the Maps app and reopen it, or restart your iPhone or iPad to refresh the system. Likewise, launch your Apple Maps. First close the app and relaunch it. This might also resolve the issue. Next up, install the latest version of your iOS. For that, launch Settings. Go to General. Go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it, as updates often include fixes for maps and GPS related issues. Likewise, enable airplane mode for about 30 seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network connection. Finally, if nothing works, launch Settings. Go to General, then click on Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset Location and Privacy, and complete the process. And that's it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.